Good morning. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I Tapas sir, your language teacher. Today I am going to teach Standard 2 children grammar way, lesson number 14. Children, this lesson is in your annual exam course, so it is very important for you to listen the video nicely so that you can know what is there in this lesson. Lesson number 14 is regular verb, means the main verb or the base form of the verb. Regular verb, let's see what is there in this lesson. We use a special form of a doing word to talk about an action that happened before now. We usually add ed to a doing word that is also called past tense. When we talk about a time which is already over, we mean to say that this time is not now, it is already past. To show that, we have to add ed to the verb or the action word in that sentence. That action word having ed shows that the time or the action which had already over in the sentence, that means it is in past tense. Now, two examples I have written here. You can see, I watered the plant in our garden yesterday. The baby cried loudly. Here, the blue color you can see, children, watered and cried. These two words shows that the work is over. How? If it is WAT or water means it is in present tense, now the work is going on. But here you can see WATERED, watered. That means I watered the plants in our garden yesterday. I am talking about the work watered, means I have watered the plant not today or now. It is yesterday I have done. That means the work or the time is already past. It is said to be past tense. Second one, the baby cried loudly. You can see CRIED, cried, verb. It is in past form. Why? Cry, CRY, cry is present form. That means the work is going on now. But here the baby cried loudly means now the baby is not crying, it cried before. That's why the verb is having ed or IED to it, because present form CRY, cry. In past form, cry changes into CRIED, cried. For a doing word ending with a vowel, it is spelling mistake is there, children. VOWEL, vowel it will be. We add only D to show that the action happened before now. Means if the word present tense or verb in present tense ends with E, like examples here it is given LIKE, like, CARE, care, CLOSE, close, CHANGE, change, BAKE, back. Means all the verb ends with E, that is vowel. Then we will use only ED, or you can say only D to it to change it into past tense. Like changes into liked, care changes into cared, close changes into closed, change changes into changed, back, backed. Means all the verb when D is added to them, they change from present form to past form. Now, for doing word ending with Y, we replace it with IED. Means if the verb is in present tense ending with Y, like TRY, try, marry, marry, carry, carry, apply, 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 cry, cry. All the verb ending with y. In that case, you have to just add ied to change into past form. Cry changes into cried, cried. Means just take out that y from there and apply ied to it to change into past form. marry, marry, past form will be married, married. Carry, carry, carried, carried. Apply, 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 applied, cry, cried, cried. You can see the word or the verb ending with y always have ied in its past form. Some doing words change their spelling completely. Examples: eat is a verb, bring is also a verb, catch verb, drink verb, go verb. These are all 5 verbs, but you can see here no d nor ied is added to its past form. Means all the word doesn't mean that it will have d or ied in their past form. Some verbs are there which spelling totally changes in their past form. Eat, present tense, past tense will be at, at. Bring, present form, past form it will be brought, brougst, brought. Catch, present form, caught, caugst, caught, past form. Drink, present tense, past tense will be drank, drank, drank. Go, present tense, past form will be went. So here you can see all the verbs having different spelling in their past form. Now the exercise part. A. Look at each picture, write the activity as if it happened yesterday. Means now the word which is given about today, you have to write in the past form, that is it happened in yesterday. Catch a fish, past tense will be caught a fish. Catch past tense is caught. Walk the dog, past tense of walk is walked, walked, walked the dog. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing word in bracket. First one, I spoke to my aunt yesterday. Bracket it was speak. Speak past tense is spoke, spoke. Mukesh dash bracket lost his car key last night. Lost past tense is lost, lost. The answer will be Mukesh lost his car key last night. Third one, Karim dash bracket enjoy spending the day at the farm. So enjoy past tense is enjoyed. Karim enjoyed spending the day at the farm. Question number 4, Charu dash bracket finish her painting last Sunday. Finished past form is finished. The sentence will be Charu finished her painting last Sunday. Fifth one, she dash bracket spot a cat in the garden. Spot past tense is spotted. So the answer will be she spotted a cat in the garden. Sixth one, it dash bracket take me a long time to finish my homework. Take past tense is took. Answer will be it took me a long time to finish my homework. Here all the incident or action happened in the past, not now. You can see last Sunday, last night, yesterday. So this shows that the work is not going on now, it is over in the past. So the verb will be also in the past form. Bit number C, fill in the blanks with suitable doing word. One has been done for you. We dash Ali waiting for the bus in the morning. We have to write the verb in the past form. So we saw Ali waiting for the bus in the morning. Second one, Pankaj threw the wrappers in the dustbin. Throw past tense is threw. THROW, throw is present form. As we have to write the past form, we have to write the past tense of throw, that is threw. Third one, Priya brought a new pair of shoes last week. Brought, past form of bring. Bring is present form, past form of bring is BROUGST. Priya brought a new pair of shoes last week. Fourth one, it was Sunday, so we dashed to the bench. It was Sunday, so we went to the, sorry, it is beach, not bench. It was Sunday, so we went to the beach. Go, past tense is went. Fifth one, a bird flew in through the open window. A bird flew, present form is fly, FLY, fly. Fly, past tense is flew, FLEW. The bird flew in through the open window. The glass dropped from the girl's hand. Drop, 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 past tense is dropped. The girl dropped from, the glass dropped from the girl's hand. All the verb here in the blanks are written in the past form. So children, this lesson is over. Now I am sure I have cleared the doubt regarding this lesson. Now it is up to you to watch it again and again at home, because you are having the video with you now. So my request to you children, first of all, try to understand the lesson. If you have any doubt regarding this lesson, you can ask to me later on. I am always there to help you children. So children, thank you for watching this video, and my request to you, think about your final exam, prepare nicely, and God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye children.